Attention all security, I need a location on Kevin Jones. Attention security, I need a location on Kevin Jones.
Yeah, I'll do that.
My name is Kevin Jones. I've been here 3 years. I work in security and also recreation. I started off as a truck driver. Drove through 46 states in a Wellborn truck. So I enjoyed that part of my life, but moved on, now I enjoy the security aspect of it. I'm a people person, so I like to meet people, I meet everybody that comes in. And if somebody's in here, we met them. Nobody gets in here without us knowing what they're here for and so forth. Sometimes you have to play bad cop. You've got to be able to, at times, say things that people don't necessarily want to hear, but say them in a way that they're not offended. It's not necessarily what you say most time, it's how you say it. Whether it be visitors or people that come in and out pretty regularly, I try to treat people the way that you're going to be treated, and anytime people kind of brag on you about that, it makes you proud. I've always enjoyed working at Wellborn, because they've always treated me well, and I've always been like a backbone of this community. They say find something you enjoy doing and you never have to work a day in your life. So I go with that approach.